Oh gosh, I'm a minute too late or what? Just kidding. I actually don't care. I need to go to the toilet, be right back, alright? Help the shit. Help this mother tucking. The mother bitch. Oh man. Okay, let's do the setup, but then I need to go to the toilet. Coffee. Too much to eat yesterday. It's not everything actually out. What the hell are you talking about? Hurrah! That is sweet. Hurrah! Hurrah! What a fine ass music. Was macht denn der jetzt? Ah, so ein Spinner. Wollte ich hier gerade auswählen. Just the playlist what I just want to get needed actually for the game here, right? On YouTube, on the setup. And then I just say Asphalt Legends Unite. Scammy game. And he sent me back to the YouTube start site. What the fuck? Something's wrong with that YouTube sometimes. I feel so being watched. Keiner. Alright. Alright. Hurry, hurry. Up to the toilet, Mr. Sunsun. Ah, was hieß denn schon wieder? Why is this loading all the time? I think that's the computer's Microsoft Edge since this update yesterday. Your Microsoft Internet Edge has been updated. Congratulations. Do me a favor and make up the passkey. For if I steal your passkey, I have everything from your operation devices under control. Human. Yeah. So that's why I'm not making this passkey. It's like Cloud saves that, Google Cloud saves that, Microsoft Cloud saves that, and with one touch, the AI, or better say actually the whoever just want to get in, at all my devices in one, and can watch everything. So fuck these passkeys. This is made actually for stealing more information from you. Definitely. What happened? Oh yeah, sure. I'm sitting on the shit house. God thanks I have my pants down. I don't know how I was streaming that shit. But kind of idea, I was actually sitting on the construction toilet and I was streaming that, alright? And my pants were still on. Because I can't explain what that, there's a normal trousers, right? But there's trousers actually with, what's it calling? These expendable bands there that you have over the shoulder, right? And there's actually pants like that as well. It's actually a what's it called? Complete suit? Nah, it's not a complete suit, but just actually the pants with actually the jacket on. With the, I don't care what they're called then. Dreiviertel Hochhaus des Büros. In English, I don't know. So I couldn't actually get these off, so I was sitting down and hope the best actually that is somehow getting this doodle butter out of my ass, right? Immediately I was woken up. I thought, what the fuck is going on today? Then I was on the clock. There was no one. That was for a good year ago. Yeah, it was summer, and I thought already it's morning time, and I was going very early to sleep because I was sweating the whole day. I was broken dead inside, actually completely. I was just totally soulless actually or something. I just was going to bed and I was dreaming that crack, and so don't know. I was woke up, thought actually it's already morning time at 5 o'clock because summertime. Blah, 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 thinking actually, and then yeah, but actually it was kind of a half 10 o'clock in the nighttime. But my mind was like, oh gosh, we have to go to work as well. This is fucked up, seriously. And then I watched actually my clock on my cell phone, better say, because I didn't was get the clock actually for the room, actually for these digital get lightened on the wall stuff, and I saw, wow, half 10 o'clock. Thought actually it's half 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning time. And then I enjoyed it actually to sleep on that night. But what the fuck? Couldn't get the trousers off or something, like sitting on the toilet and trying to shit. Hope the best. Sure. Oh. I can smell you from here, swine. Better I leave. Put my feet in my hands and run. Sure. Do that stuff. Alright. Good thanks nobody just watched that. Here comes the snot boy. But ashtray and cigarettes, I'm not fighting for something in here. Try your life, goddammit. Let me guess, that's the wrong fire toy. Oh yeah, sure, throw it away. And 100% music activated. That was the last time we played in here. And we come back again on this Dab Nation TV account. And guess what? 100% maximized music, as we did it actually by 0. These scam games, these stupid. Unbelievable. We can't save no information. Nothing. That's why processors actually need all the times congresses over congresses. Because they already forgot what they talked about the lost G20, whatever it's called. Mother in talk. With music is okay, but when I'm playing actually music in my earplugs over the Spotify and then listen to that one, that makes me crazy. By the way. Where's the button? Where's my life? Where'd my hair go? Hold on, here we go. Enjoy. If you have Spotify, link in.
from Outspotty here, URL.
And enjoy what I'm listening for. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And maybe stop talking, I hope so. If not, don't remember me. The alcohol will make the rest. The aggression or the sleepiness. Let's see what's up tonight. Thanks a lot actually for the Elder Scrolls Online, about a little bit watching here and there. It's actually a massive work all the time to find out where all these blimps are, sky shards or skishit, like actually that girl says all the time, skishit. Also about these, I don't know, just... I was playing that for 7 years ago and the problem was some kind of... I didn't like it. Too many people's around, internet was actually always collapsing because, I'm gonna say, actually shaking in the game itself, and it was terrible. Right now it's playable because actually 80% of the people's actually gone from Elder Scrolls Online, and that makes the map actually the MMO player man actually very heartful. Great actually to watch around. The only thing what I don't like is too many enemies actually on the open world map. In the dungeons, it's okay, it's fine. But please, decrease actually double these enemies away. These are too much. All the times you step a little bit over enemies, you will hate yourself in the same moment. You're watching in the distance, actually watching on the computer side for the map, from the user map, where you can find these treasure or something, you know. And in the same time, you just go around the corner, there's an enemy. You've done the fight, you go 1 inch or something, the next enemy comes up. This is so bullshit. That's a bit too much. There was another game I played, actually MMO, kind of a half year long on the Afrika account. I can't remember the name, goddammit. But that was fine ass, because you was trying to fight with them. You're not actually going around and they see you and they running behind you all the times and fight, and you are just snapping you a little bit. That game was actually kind of... just, you have to go to that enemy on that field, you know, and then you can fight. It's like actually an open fight. It's not like actually Pokemon or something that is playing out with these Yu-Gi-Oh stuff or whatever. Final Fantasy, here we go. I hate these games. This is kind of a tragedy, not actually a strategy game. It's a tragedy. Nah, just I can't remember the name anymore. It was definitely not these Genshin Impact, but there was something else I was playing that was fine ass. You could actually explore a lot, but when you want a real fight, these kind of monsters or whatever that was existed, right? You have to run to them so close that they have to say, oh, just actually start another fight, or you start up a fight. Doesn't matter. So it's kind of, actually in real life, you're going very close to a person and piss him off until he's fight. But in this game, Elder Scrolls Online is like, they're on testosterone, they're on cocaine, I don't know, on speed, every monster. You're just running a little bit around, just wait a little bit, watch your map, and instantly you get attacked from a far distance of 50 meters. And they're running a half kilometer front, or behind, or wherever they're from. This is criminal. That makes your psyche actually broken. They should stop that aggressivity actually in this game. How do they want to know actually so far away who the hell you are? This is annoying. These NPCs, these enemies are annoying in Elder Scrolls Online. Seriously. Sneaking is mostly impossible in this game to sneak around on these NPCs. They see you so... Anyway, I hate this game so much. At the same time, I love it, and that's why 50-50. Yeah. I will give them a like and make a star up. Or maybe one or two. I can't. I don't know why. Maybe they shut it off the system, but something for that on the PlayStation 4. Alright. First up, free pack. Pack. What happened? Internet broken? Oh, I did it. What shit I was get? Oh my gosh. Instantly I was pressing R3. Oops, my mistake. Oh, well, we didn't get nothing. It was just a free pack of cards. Or cards. And sometimes you get 3 of them, they promise, but this is a 1% maybe. Don't you remember me, goddammit? The morning time at 3 o'clock I was ending this game. It's already after actually 18 hours, don't know me anymore. Stupid scam game. Ja. Woozoo. Wababiba. Like this. What is this? Did it change the music? I mean the playlist? Whoa, I don't know. So that was at the morning time, right? I didn't claim. I'm an idiot. Oh. Check back later for more goals. Yeah. Maybe you know they have for that morning time they have an Indonesia actually track coming up in here in this game. Ooh, hey, playing that game actually since this year. About 7 years actually out. They bring something new out. I know the cards are bringing out. I know since actually this year, since May, I'm playing this game already. This is actually my third account, and I got a fourth account running as well. Twice actually platinized already, but check this out. They bring something out in that kind of era. Maybe I just platinized this account or the other one. That's cool. This is not like actually you showed your spy, right, and just playing this game. You've been apart since actually 7 months, or 6 months now. 7 months? Close to 7 months. Close. Since May, I was told. But I think that was 16 May or something I just started up this game on DJ Virgin account. Claim all. And talking again. What was that with the rope and the hook? Oh, what's taking so long? To form 2 knockouts in a single race. Does that mean in New York or Norway? Or is it New York and Norway? Yeah. 3 types more, and you can say actually and or instead of actually that weirdo sign there between. Weirdo sign. Remembers me actually on these. If your video on YouTube didn't actually pop up anymore, and there was always a sign, you know, kind of this sideways mouth and these sad eyes or something, you know. That was a long time ago. My first account is about 2007 or something. Huh? Can't find your video anymore. So, alright, done. Let's see. Not interest. Not interest. Or was I? Ah, there is nothing to get on. I'll wait for the Sonic event, maybe this month. I'll forget about it. Coming up next, I don't know. There's Santa Claus event in here. Let's sack them all. I'm sorry. Shit occupying astrology, so let's go to this next stream. Maybe I should actually shut the hell up. Yeah. Sake. Where are my earplugs for sake? Oh, escapes. Oh, these gonna be Grampy mode. Ringing with microphone. Excuse me. Something else to rock. So we need actually 3 careers or 2 careers to get another trophy. I'm sorry. So it doesn't matter what I'm playing. Let's see where I can go through anyway with these. There's so a lot actually missing of blueprints for some cars. Before we making this escape stuff, oh gosh. I mean, I respect it and like these escape stuff you're just playing through, but there's too many police actually hunting you. But what the hell? Where they're from? The complete city is behind you. What did I do wrong? God damn it! And my trunk is open or something. That's why they, you know, hunting me. I don't know. Oh. Moron. Fresh bucket as well. For the vomit. Yeah. Well, hey, wait a sec, goddammit, I am trying to sift in here. Shut up. Sorry. Nothing better to do as playing a game actually at 7 o'clock 49 here on Sunday. We're working tomorrow. Drunk or not drunk, right? Had a lot of time actually to get sober. I already be sober from this morning time. Oh god, that is making a little bit weird stuff. Let's go. Ganbarimasu. We'll pop the music, y'all. Oh, he silence calls always. Oh, there. Oh, wait. Because the electronic cars. Kind of a problem we have in here. Some people's watching, right? Careful, a little bit louder. Warm up your TV volume. What was that? Bring the garbage out. Need to do that tomorrow as well in the one time. Nice to know. Side or yeah, what the hell? Why are you crashing everything? These broad cars. bubble, bubble. Somebody telling over the radio then, what the hell you being done with your with teammates, man? You're in the same car box, goddammit. Why are you crashing them? Completely bloody moron. It was France, goddammit! Why? I thought actually be in New York, man, where you have a run and everybody wanna thing is though, or just, you know, got it thrown off, or I just came on the idea of actually crashing these cars. That was your friends, goddammit! Oops, that's what I see. Nobody liked the music in here. Alright, you know, ideas are done. You're on my side then. Goodbye to the music then. It's all from 4 people's actually going to 2 people's. Maybe it's myself. I'm not sure about that one. Well, maybe the microphone is so loud as always. But it's a racing game, goddammit. I need it to be a little bit louder in here. What's the Italian shop there? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. So, let me check it out. If I did done this one. And the exotic, the electronic season. And the escape season. But then we're done. And we need 2 cars, then we have platinum. But it's gotta be a long way, and I can't get it done tonight. I mean, right? No. Did it not? I think I'm going crazy already. Just kidding. Straight in hairpins. What do you want from us then? Huh? Uh-oh. That's the only car right now. Oh, come on. Bent over vehicle? The car needs actually a banana in its exhaust. Where's the exhaust? Trying another beer is actually double times cheaper than the other one I'm actually drinking since, I think, 10 years now. Not so bad. Drink and drive, only virtual, right? Not in real life. And belt on, man. Seat belt on. I say belt on. Actually, not so bad. I mean, not really bad. Alright. Normally it was, I have said to say, Sternhagel dich Bru. Let's not call him like that. Sternbräu. That is actually Turmbräu. I need actually some other slide name as well. Towerbräu. No, that's not fun. Sternhagel dich Bru, that makes fun. I even created a car on Car X, right? Turm, lass dein Haar herunter, Bräu. Ah, this is bullshit. That's a long name. I don't know. It came some kind of fashion way later on or something. Gamarimasu. Sayo. And it's gonna be solid now. You don't know how I did that, but thank you very much for the like, by the way. What the hell? Maybe there was somebody else actually watching a little bit in here from the Elder Scrolls Online. Oh, crack! Oh, what kind of an ugly car you are! That's why he needed to die, or what? Crashed. Slow down? I don't think so. Ah. Children will pay for that. Oh, crack! Totally unnecessary. Brains and hairpin to say. That's not an hairpin. You ever played a rally game? For sake. That's an hairpin coming up. Ah, yeah, here we go. Oh, got the wheel in my hands. I mean, for real. It's not connected to the car anymore. Dang! What shall I do? Braking? Hello? Oh, was that the emergency coming around here? Already too late my information for saying braking? Every thousands of seconds counting in rally, I know that stuff. Every blink can be your death. If you want it. I mean, yeah. Oh, I always forget to press the X, goddammit. There's some games actually go forward with itself. Automatically. None of your business to say the game. You have to push by yourself. None of my problem. Sure, the AI say so. Here we go, the first hunt mode. People's career dash. Where are these people these days? These thinking the game is a bit stupid. I want to play. No, these game. Nah, man, these person think. Nah, this is so weird as they're talking. These cats there in Asia. Oh my god. I was speaking out of the third person. Dang. He thinks it wants to race. Here we go. Can't do that. Hurry up. Video maker. Yes! You know about speed limits? Oh my gosh! So crazy! Oder? Ja, ja, passt schon wieder. The 43 minutes, okay. I think we win this one. Maybe. Wait, is he? Got the same problem. Oh wait. I likes to have in the transaction stuff storage. Getting a little bit speed. Yes. Convict down. Confidence? Confidence, storage, room, something. Make me prepare for that one. Okay, watch out. Yes! I'm watching your ass. Holy mother and storages. Oh, you've got fun, aren't you? Bring the garbage out, they say. You know? That doesn't matter. I hate it end. There's one track. it's exactly in the corner, and you're coming around the corner. You have no time actually for doing stuff. But I have these action, what's it called, cinematic style on. You know, I like that actually. But sometimes in the end of these rays, you can really fuck that up. Slows down, and you fail because you press maybe the maximized nitro, and you can't move your car. It's going strange then for the first time, and you crash. But well, my own challenge. Didn't it look fantastic anyway? Clear the road. Nope. I don't know. 18k? 7 times we have? Wait. The free challenges makes a lot of money. 50 to 60k. Sometimes 70k. Oh, that was a long heat. Dang. Tjus, Kampagnen, så vi så litt, så du skal ikke være rostig nekksagt. Så, hva det med vanlig nekkskissen hadde jeg sagt. Ja, genau. Here we go. Do you want to talk about that one? Office reading transporter is a train spotter, right? Gosh. Oh, no joke. What the hell are you dealing down in here? Oh, hello. Oh, why I'm so shaky. Stupid coffee. I thought before the tears over the 5 hours live stream, make a tea, maybe a coffee. Before I'm drinking actually these Amazon cola, right, with these a lot of sugar in there. So there was tea, there was coffee, there was actually these cola there, and there was actually some little food actually from this morning time. So I was drinking, of course, first up the tea, then the coffee, and then nothing. Now the beer. Now I'm shaking. I have shaky hands. It's getting colder from outside. Let's continue. Continue the struggle. Struggle continues. Oh, tequila and Smirnoff. Good cold lord. Took a 30 seconds. What the hell? Oh, nitro bottles we need to collect. The safe crack. Puta madre. They were saying nitro bottles. I thought actually nitro to... Oh my gosh. I watched only the airtime and I fucked it already up. Because I saw then actually the nitro bottles to collect in here. So, oh my gosh. I need to go outside. Okay, now I don't need to win anymore. That's the other one. Yeah, some challenges are fucked. You have only 30 seconds. Then you are fucked as well. Sometimes I don't read actually that's a 30 seconds race. And then you just go on and then you don't win and thought, oh, the race is just oh god, help me out here. Alright. So the weird stuff is you just won the race, right? They don't say that you have to win the race. What the mother hell? This is the first time. Huh? Huh? They say win the race, right? Win the race. Here they just say airtime and nitro. What? This is the first time I saw that. This is the third time I'm playing actually just through. I was so drunk I didn't watch. That's why I was saying, thanks, we already won. And now we can care about actually the airtime and nitro bottles, right? This is the first time ever I see actually a single player or career race. You don't have to win. I mean, okay, in the beginning, the first races, you don't need to win as well. First or third, something like that. Now we're in trouble. Alright. Well. Actually easy, but maybe I have to do it 3 times then. Sake! Damn it. Damn it. Loot. Race Ghost. What the mother? I didn't watch. Oh, there you, man. Need a bit of mean time, you know. Yo, thank you very much. Oh, come on. Number 2. And the third try. You're already doomed. I'm not getting mad or... No, not today. I'm cool, I'm calm down. I just was saying an A is actually rise, Ed. Rise, rise. The madness, you know. Like on the Simpsons Treehouse episode there. As I was doing the Shining. Rise, rise. Then the TV was actually running again. Softened, softened. Rise, rise. Some flicker the TV as that was frozen actually outside of the house. I was often because I don't was watching that in English. Rise, rise. Somebody move. You know what the hell? Do whatever you want to do. What the hell? Here we go. Easy peasy. What the fuck was that? Sometimes I have always a plan B. C or D. Kenzo. Say so, I'm not getting pissed off today so easily. I like to trick around actually on the multiplayer. Actually, it says Team Pursuit, right? Going the wrong way. And then I saw so many people doing that already. I said, alright, I'm not the only one. Okay, it seems to be okay. I'll not get banned from the game then. But you have to know the maps, and I am the guy, actually, I'm not saving that stuff in my mind. I'm just running, have fun, drink beer, listening to music, right? Talking my mind out or something, this crack. I take it. But that was new, actually. It was going backwards, and already the nitro bottles was already there again. Oh, here, you see it. I never watched these, or... I'm playing this game since 6 months. I'm recognizing that right now? Hell no. What's wrong with the chimney again? Win the race. Of course, we go to Japan. We have the direct. DK, Donkey Kong, what was that? Nice. God, what the? When was that? 2006? 16 or 6? Oh man, I have to watch. Not the car. Hold on a second. When was these Fast and the Furious there? Let's see. It says... No way. Wow. That's kind of actually, it was yesterday. 19 years? From 19 years now on? Oh my gosh. That's a Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, right? I was watching that in my first apartment, I know that. That was the time with the Orange County Choppers there. Yeah, I watched as well. What? 19 years? Oh hell, I need a smoke. This booth actually going up the elevator and he was saying, what's DK? Donkey Kong? What the fuck? I never watched that movie anymore. That was once and forever, but it was actually signed in myself. Yeah, of course. That was the last year actually to go to the construction school. Dang. So simply, actually, I am since 22 years now on the construction side. Minus the 1 year I was not there. It was actually army time, jail, and actually doing other jobs before I was coming back actually to do construction work. It was in a year. 10 months military, 48 days actually jail. Couldn't pay actually some bills. And my grandmother always was saying, I leave you the money and blah blah blah. And I was like, no. I go to jail. I need a history. I have no family and blah 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 in there. So no story as well to tell. Get rid of that shit. So I was already on the solar panels. I was activated actually on the roofs and installate that stuff. And then I was actually in kind of a company, they making climatic stuffs for all over the world. Move. But the person is gone. Because why? They ain't talking too much. 18 o'clock 14, 6 o'clock 14 p.m. here right now in Bavaria, Germany. I think it's Sunday. Even my heart stings right now. It's Sunday. Oh, bullseye. What's with the assholes in the room? Oh my god, what kind of a song is that? It's counting. A full beast. A full beast. Now what's that calling? God, that is so small. I have good eyes, but I can't even read that. Bull beast. Oh, bull beast. No, I'm not getting older. I am old. Cheers. Itoshi. Huh, what the hell? Alrighty then. Was that? Fart. You're not gonna survive that, little guy. I told myself you're not gonna survive that, little guy. I know since 5 months. Then you do that, you crash to the bridge. But I tried. I tried to go over the bridge. Nope. Now you have to win and do the drift. Impossible, actually. Forget the drifting. Imaginary, I just won. Oh, I won. Alright, forget about that one. We just talked about that one. Game says, I'm so lonely. I'm so sad. The music running. Little bastards. It's kind of, if you play music, then they're stressed out. Can't hear myself, you're talking so silent, blah blah blah, microphone is so fucked up on me. If the music is off, the same shit. Nobody comments, everybody goes. What? I'm confused. To make 50%, it pisses me off and pisses you off at the same time, so, Good found. 31. I'm on. Whatever. Life. I do what I best can do. Shut up. Pull up the music, yo. A last chance. Oakland. Jump and knock downs. And win the race. Oh, yeah, where my car's gone. Bye bye, electronic car. "30 seconds. Not again this shit. Jump and knock out. Light is strong. It's okay. Just a 30-second run. Don't need the smoke now. This is not a jump, right? You know, you have to knock down someone. Better. There should be some AI talking in there actually to let you know. You have to win, you have to win, you have... Do the jump, do the jump.
Hey, you moron. You need to knock out someone.
Who the hell is talking this? Why you lost this race, you moron? You bloody fool. Here we go. 4 and a 4 and a 6, something like that, a 3. Hold on. 10 and 8, oh, not fitting, man. 21. Damn it. The tunnel. See what the coffee's dealing done with me. Hyperreaction. But my heart feels actually okay. It's like boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it's the tequila. It makes my heart actually boom, 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 boom. The next day, I have to tell like that. The heartbeat just opened up a little while then. That Friday in the afternoon, I was going to sleep, right? And I was actually, while sleeping, some kind of 2 minutes or something, the light sleep. Then my heart like, bump, bump, was so loud that I just was waking up again. Oh, crazy, cool. That was so close to die. Alcohol. Oh well. Only live once, right? Win the race, Nitro. 40 seconds. Oh, I love it already. Cairo. Snooky, I'm coming. Ready up your warm bed and your warm legs. Oh, what the hell happened here right now? Recommended rank. Cheers. What a playlist thought of you. Okay. That means already through about 167 songs in 9 hours. Alright. Yeah, okay, 5 hours yesterday. That makes sense. Close to an hour, but that's 6 hours. Where are the other 3 hours and 50 minutes? Gone, buttermouse. Did you try to be done with me? Oh, sorry for that one. Mean to you. Oh, look at that spoiler, man. Look at that spoiler technology from Germany, actually. And still wobbling. Easy peasy. Rechts vor links, Meister. Okay. There's not the finish line. Keep a Chinese controller, goddammit. Extra precision you need for that controller. Dirty and filthy. Late 8 on the wow. What the mother in hell? How many actually pressure that needs? Must be a compressor or something in the back trunk or something. What the fuck? Is that really helping better? Shoot. See, that's wagging that tail actually on the spoiler. I don't know. Is he appear again? Here we go. He's appearing again. What the fuck? What the hell? Poor processor in the car, man. You wanna grab it? Nope. 4 times left. Waiting for the good points. Win the race with some barrel rolls. As in Rome. Oh, we run out of gas, man. Oh, what happened? Can't go forward anymore. Oh, we already... What's that calling? No way. They say oil? Some kind of say actually your car is out of gas? I can't believe that. I never saw the sign before. That is just a joke from my side. I just want to actually go in here a bit because I saw the car is out of gas. I never saw that coming up in here. I'm such a noob, man. After I can't actually. Let me count. All right, this is the 232nd episode, right? Oh, I don't even have to say greetings or something like this. Crack to say actually hello and welcome actually back to Asphalt Legends Unite. This is the episode 232. Please, is it live? Yeah, dodo. Let me guess, 232. Maybe say 3 hours. 600. 700 hours. So I say 700 hours in right now 4 accounts being used twice actually. Platinized, blah blah blah. This one gets the next one platinized. Like that damnation for real, blah blah blah. 700 hours this year in 7 close to 7 months now. 700 hours. Need to go to the toilet and think about it. So a month, 100 hours, I was playing and was drinking and all this stuff. 700 hours. Multiply size actually by an hour, a beer, and let's say 3 beers because tequila and Smirnoff I don't can count. So you talk, let's say $2. Let's say $3. Then the cigarettes are $5. $5. Oh gosh, really? Oh, wait. 1 hour, 1 smoke. 3 beers. $2. Okay, $2. 1,400? No way. It can't be. $1,400 I give away in the 700 hours what I'm playing right now for the episode 232. By smoke and beer. And tequila and Smirnoff. That's why I'm counting 3 beers actually now. So it's actually 100 milliliter of tequila and Smirnoff Ice. That's Berg Ice actually. The brown, white, widened. And I don't know people's actually that drinking that tequila with Smirnoff Ice. Kind of quarter actually Smirnoff and the rest for getting a liter actually Smirnoff. Sometimes a little bubbled water, but let's say 3 beers. So we already buy $3.50. Let's say 4. Let's say 4 because I don't know what happens sometimes. And then we calculate $3. Okay, $3. So just, come on. This is a 700 hours. I can't believe that. No. Let's talk about $1,000 to $1,500 actually a giveaway by smoking, drinking, and having the power supply, right? To play that game on 4 accounts. Wow, that's a lot of money. That's close to be actually 1 month a budget of a construction worker. Shoot. I'm not miscalculating that, right? Or can I? It's not a 200. No. I think I need a calculator. The music is so loud I can't concentrate. And also I'm sitting in the toilet and do the butter making. But I'm already done. Let me see. €3. Maybe 200. See? It's a $2,000 I was giveaway in the 7 months, close to 7 months, for drinking, smoking, and power supply. Wow. This is what the mother. And this is not the only game I'm playing. Okay, that 5 times correct. I played in the 7 months actually on the Dev Nation for real account then. And the other accounts I was just eating actually. Not, I'm only drinking and smoking actually in the race games. Because like GTA or the other games what I'm playing on DJ Volchin account, nope. Makes no sense. Maybe there was 1 beer on GTA. Sinless or senseless actually, nonsensely better say, nonsensely GTA 5 I'm playing sometimes when I'm drunk and happy on Sunday in the morning. Getting sober. And still the best is actually GTA 5, number episode 10. On these, yeah, I say sinless. It's actually not worthless or something. Makes it a lot of fun. To be a taxi driver, a cab driver. Taxi! Let's get the cherry in the mood. Yeah. Self, maybe. $1,000 in 7 months. I just give away for smoke and drinking tequila and beer. For playing Asphalt Legends Unite. That game in here. What the mother? Bitch. You're just only watching children's because they go. They come and go. They don't understand the English, they don't understand German, I don't know what's going on in here. Microphone's too loud or something. Wow, what smells so good? I think my neighbor just opened up his crack door. Yesterday I was saying, what the hell, what's this kind of taste? Smoke, marijuana, they cooked actually something like I just did. That tastes like a crack house or something. That's the parfum actually from them. I know, because if you smoke or something, sometimes you're smoking in the living room, then you need actually to get covered by, perfume. So it's the smell like that, I know. Because before them, down below, there was another girl, and she was smoking as well. Inside, outside, whatever. So my rush actually for that, my boss was telling me I have to renovate that apartment down below a bit. So, yeah. They have actually new stuff in there that not be smoky actually from the last... I have to say visitor because actually she was in there on a year long actually. That's it. But I'm a smoker as well. I'm smoking in my room here, not in the apartment, but only in this room, working room, I say all the times. So actually it's my gaming room, but I hate to make a gamer room or something because I'm not a influencer. I'm not a live streamer actually. Because they say actually I'm just doing my chill out, my little hobby or something. You have some new likes, you have some new followers, okay. TikTok. Can we go forward now? Talking to myself or what? Ferrari, Le Ferrari. Do we have the vehicle? Yeah, we owned it today, the idiot. That was costing me a 250 asphalt tokens, I think. Hold on a second. Oh, that just happened. That's just a coincidence. I didn't know about that. That's awesome. Cheers. Oh, by the way, we have to watch actually for new blueprints. I'm sorry. If this snot actually is being actually in your throat already. Yeah, level 1, level 11, I don't care. Let's see. And we got a new one in here. New items in 26 minutes. Okay, what we have? We have already the laptop robbery. So can actually buy us this car. And then we have only one car left. Let's do it. Then do it. Beautiful car. Ginetta. Pardon. Ginetta G16. Is it useful, you ask? No, I don't need it anymore. Maybe later, but I don't need it anymore. Later, maybe. So, 25 minutes later, maybe we can grab another car. And then we have 30 vehicles in the car amount, and then that's another trophy. I think I'm making plotting tonight. Nah, the time is not actually... Okay, we have to work 7 o'clock in the morning, right? 7. So the maximum is right now for each on 2.5 hours I can play. 2.5 hours. And this is 2.5 hours. I can't actually make this up. These 2 career seasons. Actually, 1 is already done. Close. What the fuck? Don't actually draw the devil on the wall. Maybe I can do done the plotting today on the Dev Nation TV account. My first plotting then in 7 months, close to be, and $2,000 I just give away for that game. Crazy, right? And then I'm choking around like, for a month you have to pay $10 for the Legend Pass. $10 for a month. That's nothing. What is this? I'm smoking, drinking actually in 5 hours. These $10 away. And I had to say these 7 months. Okay, and here we go again. That is the problem. Wait, I was saying episodes, right? So good. But these episodes sometimes shorter than 2 hours we're talking about. So it's $1,400 then, right? Let's say $1,400. That's better because $2,000 is seriously hardcore too much. We're talking about $1,400 to give away actually these close 7 months and playing this game on 4 accounts on PlayStation Network ID on PlayStation 4 Pro, right? Choose up Kapai and Strawberry Solution, Code to Bushmaxism, by the way. Let's say so the microphone is open. Opened. My note got thicker. The snot is coming. I'm very loud, right? Why you don't let me know that in the commentaries, goddammit? But if the cars are racing like a Car X, these are massive engines. I don't know why. They're so loud and annoying. Sure. I can actually volume a little bit down there. But hello. I love racing games. And I think I'm not the... Oops. I'm not the only one actually talking about that one. Cheers. Good night. Have a nice time. Something like that. What, the car had the same color like actually the Ravi? I mean the oh, come on, the Asterion. What the hell? Another coincidence. Ah, must be from Italy or something. Right, a win and win. So win the race, the Eternal City of the winnings. Do you tell I actually have to win in here? Let's have some fun. Do not lose. You have to win in here. Come, Barmaz. Get up, you little sheep. Whoa, that car's crazy. Humming.
Ass felt.
It's a truck driver, my mind. Brings actually the vegetables in the fucking supermarket tomorrow in the morning. Do not crush these. Can't hold back, right? Little bastardo. Why the engines are shaking? Are you kidding me? It didn't come back. LOL. Lol. I see, we won. Win the race with the Ferrari, and win this one. Did I say we have to win in here? Snot. A lot of criticize about actually the FIA, what happened, FIFA better say, not FIA, what happened actually yesterday about these outsourcing, who plays with who actually in the soccer games, right? It's WM actually 2026. What the fuck is this? And that just make actually only a poll actually for Mr. Trump about peace. He make peace? Obama just tried to make peace. Trump makes war, man. He's the same like Bush. Actually, a little bit undercover Democrat. He's destroying about American. He makes no peace, and that's because that was a symbol because he in the Nobel Prize he didn't get the Nobel Prize actually for peace, for peacemaking, right, or something like that. The Peace Nobel Prize he didn't get actually this year, so that's why he get actually from the FIFA president manager, whatever he is. A terrorist for myself as well, since Saudi Arabia or Dubai. So what the hell was that? This is corruption in his first placement. Nothing more. A shame. A shame on that guy from Italy actually to America to be done that prize actually produced that actually only for Trump as well. The first time it happened ever. Because he didn't win actually the Nobel Prize for Peace. Thank you very much. Bow and vomit continually wisely forward. Ja, rupft sein schon ganz schön, ne? Na, da kriege ich echt die Krise, Alter. Was für ein Arsch. Beide sind Ärsche, Alter. Money cash in manages. What the democracy? Democracy for democracy. Oh man, my English sucks. What is this shit? 38 or you not? No. Really? Nope. Only the 50 is coming up. 49 is okay as well. Finish. Here we go. Wow. Since when? None of that happened at the beginning of this game. If you're starting up this game, right? This Elsfeld Lessons Unite. Finish and position 3 or better. So 4 and 5, right? Yeah. This is weird English here. Finish first or third? Until third. I don't know. What? Okay, position 3 or better. Better. Or higher, right? Not better. No, whatever. They do whatever they want. I teach myself actually my English, so. Why just showing up something like America? That's the map, right? Isn't it? Manhattan? No? I don't know. What kind of map is in the background here? Weird. So, what else? As we saw before, I actually don't win. To say right now, actually, a long time forward in the season, finish position for better. Why? Cairo is so easy. Maybe you already know that I'm a fool and I can't win in here, or have actually no, go alone actually more for the car. Ah, just kidding. Cheers. Ugh, 1 hour on my ass. Urban Blaze. Dieser Kampagne schon, wie sie will, so das kommt trotzdem nicht schleudert. Go for. What the hell? Noki Noki! Holy shit. That's the first time. Never reached that one so hard. What was it jumping over? Ah, maybe we were going into this loop, that's why I would get killed. Did that knockdown counting as well on my style? Title kill? I swear, my nitro was off. My nitro was already off. What was that shaking of the server? Like to say, oh, he's winning. You better shake the server or something. Stop him meanwhile. Or maybe he crash. They're losing this one. Go mad. Destroy his controller. Empty off and knock off the console. Maybe I'm on PlayStation 3 times. That's why my 9 PlayStation 3 for a long, long time ago. Even I played 2014 the last time on PlayStation 3. Because the PlayStation 4 I bought 2013 in November, and that was actually kind of 3 months I was playing Need for Speed Rivals, platinized that. That was my Coca-Cola with whiskey and some bourbon always mixing. Oh my god, 2 years I did that. Construction worker friends there just were hating me for that. Nope. Now I'm talking to myself, right? No one's looking anymore. Oh, Sunday. Get to sleep. Yeah. $135 with the Ferrari. Oh, I think I need to pump that car up a bit. Can you still do that? No, right? Ah, shoot. Only if you... Oh, ends in 6 hours. We already pumped a good time. It cost me 120 asphalt points. Or tokens, let's say tokens. Alright, let's see, we can do done that or not, I'm not sure. The love ray, count it whatever you want to count it. 0 is 0. Years. What's with the shop? How many minutes left? The shop. Shop. The shop. It's not so good in here. 12 minutes? That was 8 minutes? How much I was talking, goddammit, at the same time. Holy moly, hell. Let me smoke out my cigarette. Until the finish line. It's gotta be a Grampy one, right? 135. 2 barrel rolls in 1. Go. Oh, Cairo. It's gonna be a mad one. Gambarmas. After that, I need to go to the toilet again. I'm having some doodle running out of my ball crack. Not playing around with shit and toilet and shit paper and ass. Oh. Yeah. One and a half minute, okay. Anyway, 1.5 minutes to say. How much are crashing here right now? Twice? Many, and rolling out. And the worst start ever. On the left side, not the right side, you Nazi. Seconds left, sir. Mostly impossible. Ten seconds left. 4, 3. Nice one. Yay! I was saying 3, right? In the end. See that? Always think a little second forward. Why this person was gone? I'm going to toilet, I'll be right back. Have a nice time. Feels like already I'm on the toilet. Having my viz off. Somebody light? No? Thank you. Release the pressure. It says 5% urea. I saw some stuff actually with 45%. So 5% is already good enough. And it says actually for very dry Skin. That's weird. Why I want to say all the time flesh? It's skin. For sake. I'm a butcher or something. I'm a construction worker for sake. This is urea anyway coming from, right? Nah, nobody's watching. Huh. This is the point if you're drinking sometimes. You know you have to be done actually cleaning yourself, cut your fingernails, make your hair, make your beard, clean up the bathroom. Maybe you're cooking something, maybe you're baking something. I don't know. It's just doing it then. When I'm not drinking, I'm just actually not going for a walk. I'm not bringing out the garbage. I'm not bringing down the laundry. I'm cleaning my dishes every time. Okay, that's the other part. Because you're going through the kitchens into the workroom. So, I hate to have actually dishes around or something this crap. I don't know. But when I'm drunk or something this crap, I immediately say, okay, meanwhile in the live stream as well sometimes, I'm going to shower. And then I shave myself and make my beard and all these stuff and the hair, facials and stuff and cut my fingernails, toenails. What the? What am I? Yeah, the heißt of English. My claws, yeah. Cutting my claws. So I kind of say. Schneide mal deine Bratzen oder schneide mal deine. Yeah, whatever. Oh, I need a beer. Dang. Back in fridge. Hello. Some small food is waiting already for me. Which just happened yesterday. Just kidding, I'm not eating up the lemon. No. There's actually nothing. I think I'm not eating anyway something tonight. Just drinking, going to sleep, waking up tomorrow at 4 o'clock or something, checking out the Elder Scrolls Online. I go to sleep a half hour and another one, or I don't know. Let's just see. All the time. 5 minutes in front of 19 o'clock or 7 p.m. here right now. Sunday. It was a fast Sunday. Here we go. I take it. Nice, nice, nice. I think I earned it. Oh yeah, that was a free time stuff. Ah, that's why. Sorry, I totally messed up. You have to win with the Ferrari, and you have to be done 2 times the blah 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 in one. Uh-huh. Those were contenders. Yeah, that was a good start, right? For the Popo ad. Give me the jail. B138 with an A-class car. With a, well, hold on, with a class B car. Here we go. With an A-class car. Yeah, that was more sensibly actually for myself. With a class B car. Oh my gosh, what is this English part in here? The correct one. Why is the A then big? Why not small? With a class B car. What now? A class or B car? I forgot what the other one was. So what was this again? I need to watch again. So it's a B class we have to win, right? Oh my god. We have only a B class anyway for that one. Ah, suspicious. Why is this happening? She's up campaign och så vi ser ut ska prata till next stream. And by the way, actually Japanese tada imasu. Welcome back. Let's fight Legends Unite on these episode 232. On my third account. Well, that's by the time. Yep, that happened. That's so stupid. How are you 1-on-1 right now? 138. Dude, seriously, I was going left side. The car was just moving frontwardly, actually straight. Damn! You're not gonna do this, right? Nope. You can't win that one anymore. That was a little bit bullshit, actually, BS. I can win that, but, you know, 20 times the Nitro. Perfect. What kind of an idiotical test? Let's do it again. I'll be so happy, that's why I'm drinking. Do not get mad. No. Anyway, doesn't matter. If it's important, let's see. Later on. I hate time events. Tax or something is crack. Wow, Ferrari's gone. Madman telling. And another beer. Cheers up, Campaign Travis Solid. Who's got caught in geschissen? 15 times the stunt in 1.5 minutes. What is wrong right now? They're really hating me already. Are they watching and manipulating the game? You have to say. Batman. Hong Kong. Oh, don't forget the airtime, dude. No, I'm talking to myself. Wonderful. Some airtime possible? Please? No? What the fuck? Aw, man. But in the end, I would do a 360 and the sound was even there about and the car didn't it. What is wrong with the game? I think I get spy amnesia in here. Somebody's actually watching this and saying we need to change the rules. Nah, I didn't watch the airtime. More in the stunts. Oh, what a trashy doggy. Where did this come from? I'm not coming through with these, right, to have lag off on the flags. I think we have the deal done that again. Damn it! I love to do all challenging one, but sometimes it's what happened. Well, we go forward. 4 flags, 14, 14, 16. There's only 1, 70. 3, 20, 1, 21, 2, 23. Oh my god, I came through with this. I don't need to make these flags. I don't need them. What the mother in hell? Perfect runs 7? Huh? Oh my god. They're telling me that in... Normally you have a list, right, to win the race and perfect runs 7. Now they're telling me actually only perfect runs in a black background. Huh? This is scary. Look at that. Normally you have a list, right? Race goals. Race goals. Only perfect run 7. Oh, I don't know if I can do down that one. Creepy. I use a chilled up. Have fun with you. Cheers. Ah, that song again. I like it. It's about the Resident Evil 1 to 6. Actually hip-hopping actually around. Rapping about. 7. So I don't need to win? Okay. Oh, crack. Sorry. Where are we going? This is made up, right? Hello? Perfect run? What the hell? What the hell? I don't understand the perfect runs. That is so weird. What's the perfect runs? I really do not want to try out, but I don't want to touch them. Weird. Maybe you have to be faster or something. Maybe I can crash my car, but not these. I don't understand. I need to go to pee. Were these peoples actually that was actually coming in for 7 months ago? The first month, there was a total support on DJ Volgin account. Before Need for Speed Takeshi's out of account and goes to the F-Nation CD account. There was a super support. They helped me out a lot. Okay, not the showroom stuff, but well else. The most was actually under 30 years old. Some just was 8 years old, but damn it, what the hell. I read actually the Russian guy, Laurent, has already 2 doctor titles. Yeah, what doctor titles as a child, but 14 years old. He wanna create superhumans. Superhumans, like actually Putin does the same, killing people, just overtaking actually countries or areas from this country. Is that how you make superhumans? To kill other peoples that are not superhuman? Nice plan. That's why you have 2 doctor titles already with 14 years old. You must be the new actually sidearm from Adolf Hitler from the youngest time. I don't know what they're thinking about that stuff. But that's my mind. Watch out that boy, man. Better I should say. Oh, escape. So, I can't win this one because I don't know about the perfect runs. So we have to be done the airtime 8 seconds in here. Or... Nah, I make this up in here. Airborne. Next criminal. Yeah. Before I become 18 years old, he's already getting a criminal with his 2 doctor titles. That's how family is behind you, he pushes you all the time, right? Yeah, and he's seeing, I think, you're criminal. Aha. Come on, guys, what the fuck? A lot of trash around me. Here we go again. In the end, I was doing a 360. A 360 in the end, and the car was going strange, and you hear the sound of the 360 going into the finish line with a 360. But you only hear the sound. And I did a 360, but the animation failed. This game is manipulated right now on. Somebody is actually manipulating right now the game for me to not get platinum denied. Unbelievable. I'm not giving away money for that anymore. I was giving away actually $17 in DJ Origin, and that's all. No. No money for them. And a good partnership with Ross, but this one, no. Don't deserve it. Drink a little Halo. She's sipping cash away. Nobody watching, eh? That's poor. Bah! Barf! Oh, hold on. What's the other guy? Nobody's watching anyway, right? Let's game it out or something. Normally every Sunday he's bringing some content out. Let's see. Just for 2 nights. Oh, he didn't. Okay. That's poor. About Josh. That's okay for us. What about Kuzak as well? The server was gonna be refreshed, my friend. Don't tell me twice. I'm on my way. So what do we have in here? Nothing like... They made this up for that, right? Another critter. Another critter, here we go. Another trophy for the game. Oh, store up. You mother in hell. My mistake. No, that's fine. I have a full powerful car, you know that. Need some money. Damn it. Surely refreshed. My brain wasn't refreshed for that one. Ready what? Have fun. Forsake escape. It's gonna be a grumpy one. You tried to kill the helicopter, right? You fail if you crash the helicopter. What the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? Oh my gosh. I just released the gas, forget the corner a little bit better, and I crashed. Wow. I'm shocked. Okay, I'm out. This is not my type. I know this route is... Forget about it. Not gonna win this one anymore. Forget about it. Wow. I know I make a mistake in there, and it will happen, but not like that. I just released the gas, actually, because I thought to get better the corner, and I crashed. Even I steered. Whatever. It's just a little shock, and hate and mad as well. Now I'm getting a little bit pissed off. Yep. It's kind of 100 police officers actually versus 1. What the fuck? For unnecessary stuff that I didn't do. That wasn't fair. Definitely not. And I lost already a watcher. Yeah. Only children are watching, definitely. Other people's actually staying on that. Including saying, ha ha, nothing happened here. I don't know what happened here. Crazy, crazy, seriously crazy. You don't need to donate, you don't need to actually make a commentary or something else that you can watch this in here. What the fuck is wrong with these people? Or should I say actually Young Hood there? That's weird. I lost live stream. Man ekelt mich das schon wieder morgen an, oder wenn ich wieder ins Lager komme, Alter, und ich sehe den ganzen Schmutz und Dreck. Wenn die anderen nur ihr Werkzeug hinwerfen und nach Hause fahren. Nicht einmal irgendwas machen. Das rotzt mich jetzt schon wieder an. Ich kann mich mal am Arsch lecken, Alter. Die Firma ist so bald so dermaßen fertig, Alter. Du magst schon nicht mehr aufräumen, du magst schon nicht mehr sauber machen, weil du dieselben Stunden haben musst wie die anderen und sollst am Abend noch aufräumen und so eine Scheiße. Oder nebenbei. Da heißt immer, ja, der Praktikant sollst du oder der Lehrbub, ja, ja, klar. Unglaublich. Das siehst du mal, wie die Arbeitskollegen eigentlich sind. Ich. Mehr nicht. Jeder einzelne von denen. Tun immer so, als wäre die Arbeit schlimm, deswegen muss ich nach Hause fahren. Naja, aber selber trinken sie dann noch eine halbe mit dir. Alles klar. Verarschen kann ich mich ja selber. Egal.
Now the game is against me. Surprise, isn't it? One car left, 2 career sessions in platinum. I lost tonight. Can't do it. Thanks for no support. You know, comments for free here, smile.
Damn it. See what's gonna happen if you're trying actually the 5 barrel rolls? You can't win. If you win, you can't deal down the 5 barrel rolls. It's getting harder and harder. Strapped and tied on. Tougher. Right now. And 4 seasons are waiting for us. Whoever just did it in the 7 years since the game is existing, actually these last 7 seasons, respect. May a lot of actually you paid already for the game that I just on $1,400 or $2,000 are paid for smoke and drinkings. I'm about to play that game on 4 accounts now. Since 7 months. No. And still I'm a noob. Fuck my you know my IQ about 136. Fuck it. Fuck it. It's just a hobby. A cheap hobby. Give me some beer and mob the hell up the heck. I think my microphone have a little deflect. Do you hear it crackle? You want to take the cash? Nah. I say no. Man, what the hell? I'm pressing X. Chinese controllers. Kind of the same actually for slang. Perfection is a still inflection. What the hell is that? 23 seconds with a Lambo. Ooh. Hype, hype, hype. Quality versus quantity. Quantity is inflection. Get your rip over this motherfucking Himalaya, yo. Bunch of shit. Let's get it, Asterion. Fly up to the stars. Yeah, 10 seconds missing and we out. Forget about it, you can't win anymore. One mistake and it's over. From now on, one mistake and it's over. Forget about your life. You have to be perfect right now. For every fucking shit you're getting done now. Because somebody else just actually hacked the server and just making this actually very, very hardcore right now. The gulp of actually my Smirnoff Ice and tequila. Puta madre. Vamos. Venga. It was shaking the background. What happened? Sounds like you're a gangster right now, eh? Exactly. Tell them who you are. Forgot the name actually from that God Girl or something like actually Meridian. Nobody understands that stuff. Gosh, you're a noob and actually some other actually a little noob. You're actually a little, what's it calling if you're just into something like that? Oh man, I don't want to criticize that one. Nope. Fuck it. Of 8 o'clock PM. Excuse me? 23 minutes? Oh, seconds? What I just did? Huh? What? Oh, sorry. I need to watch myself. What shit did? 32? Oh my gosh, 24 seconds. I was so sure that I did that. Oh my gosh. I have to do this again. What? Are you kidding me? I thought 21, 22 I just did. Oh, come on. I saw them 24 and a 3. Oh my gosh. Whoopsie daisy. Is that better? Yeah, that's much better. Totally easy, 20 seconds. Make a 360 here, make a 360 there. Yeah, that game. What a trap, mate. Oh my gosh. Career comes to an end. There's a position for a better position 3 or better. Gosh. Get rest under the best 3. Done. 17 stuns? Genki Des? Nevada. Neo and me. Oh, we're running out. 15 gallons we have left. Actually 20, but 15 I say right now. Alright. 17 stunts. It says win position 3 or better and in the end win the race. Oh, you're an a-hole. That gives you chances. Number 1. Number 2. Number 4. Ah, hell. Was that a board? Oh, I think I shit myself. Excuse me. I'm thinking about volunteering this one. What is that? The speed carbon? Need for Speed the Run. I'm sorry, Need for Speed the Run. Perfect. I mean, I won. Oh, the other shaker again. Like wasp flies. Wings. I think I take this one. We earned it. Or that guy actually is watching or something, I'm not sure. Don't forget the talkie show at 20 o'clock. Ha ha ha. Was the talkie show actually 1945 or 20 o'clock? I can't remember, I never watched them again. Since more than actually, poor. Since 11 years now? Cheers. Couple of others to say, actually the last race I couldn't win because I was actually crashing on the stone going to the right side, but I was going down the left side but crashing too much. And this movie theater reaction was coming up, so normally I couldn't win in there. I got a total and PR because I crashed the other guy and crashed in the same time on the right side into the mountain there. But I survived because, yeah, the nitro that rescued me. For the glory! For the glory!
For the glory!
For the glory! For that. Alright, 2 careers left. And 1 car. Not my day. 1.5 hour left. Mostly impossible. Now I'm sitting on my barber chair. I'm sitting on the shithouse tribune. Mention yourself actually in the theater, you're sitting on a shithouse and you have to be on a position because they're making comedy on the theater tribune. And you're sitting on the shithouse, have your pants down, but you have your underwear on and people's watching you. And as a normal human, you're thinking, all right, something need to get done in here. Oh. Did they change the location of the theater? And they found something. Oh, Daisy, Daisy. Ah, that's gonna be. But how can find they something because the underwear was on? Huh. What a pervert. Shoot. Yeah. He was saying he was nervous. Somehow he pressed it through the underwear. Ugh, gross. Happened. What the hell is Peter? Fuck this. Whoosh. A European Ferguson. Mounted actually of 30 liters instead of a 50 liters you actually can flush down. Screwed around that for, I think that was one of the first days I actually was going into this apartment for 13 years ago. Just screwed around it there. I'm looking now. Looking like shit. I was a toy construction work. Somebody just pushed me. Oh, better say the toy. Missouri. They produced. We have completed one season, y'all. One and another. Let me see how many seasons we need actually. 1 or 2. We need only 1 career season and 1 car, and then we got plotting. I never reached garage level 12. Maybe that happened as well. Oh my gosh. So, game's close. Escape and hate the game, and your heart pumps, or the Italian season, where we a little bit get tricked. Man, I reached on DJ Volchin account this one in here. I think it was stopped by this one. And then you have so many stuff to be done. Crazy mother and hell. Even on DJ Volchin there was actually these, what's it calling? Twice I did by an accident. I didn't watch actually when it was running out, these Legend Pass, and it was actually by 2 or 3 days, and I was bought it by $7. And I bought it after 3 days later than actually by $10. Because actually the month was running out, but it's actually these legendary pass was running out at a moment of a month on a date like 28 or something. So fucking hell. So I bought it twice. So that's why I'm talking about $17 to $18 I bought actually this into this game. Lost 1 controller instead of a Teso. I played actually 150 hours now. 2 controls already. Closed today actually by a 3rd one. I was gone down. There's so many careers actually I can finish, but I don't have the cars. Look at that. So easy, right? The VLF. What the hell is that anyway? It has already 2,700 on the ranks. Holy moly. DF1 comes up when this is gone good. I think, I don't know what about that one. F1, the P1, here is the P1. crazy. I wonder if Fire and Lightning actually on my Need for Speed Takeshi's auto account. Lol. But then this says rank 3100. That's why I don't want to win this one anymore. Just fuck, what the hell? The Akira. I don't have. I have it on DJ Virgin account and Need for Speed Takeshi's auto account. And never I watched about actually. I was playing actually Need for Speed Takeshi's auto account with Death Nation CB account at the same time. When I was getting actually on DJ Virgin account actually already my Platy then. Then I pumped actually a Ford account. Death Nation for real. So I totally missed that actually to get this car. But there was these events with the Sonic events and these HoloLive events. So I get that car on Need for Speed Takeshi's auto account, but not in here, for sake. And on Need for Speed Takeshi's auto account, I never came so far like in here. Because I already get cars that I don't have in this account, on Death Nation CB account. Been into the apple. Wanna try the escapee? 7 tough stuff. And you get plotted. They do analog then. Ooh, the Viper. The car has power. This one don't. But let's play. It's a C car. We have anyway a C car then. So it doesn't matter. Cheers. Here they come. And I'm dead. Just one incident, and you're dead. And there's no restart. You have to go out. Waiting and waiting. Oh man. And that disturbs my nerves. Not the race itself, it's just this restart. It takes forever. I was on a Corvette, goddammit. I mean on a... Fuck this. You see already I'm done. I don't want to play forward anymore. This is bullshit. My doors are blank. I'm pissed. Let it do the AI. They know exactly what they're doing. AI is a piece of shit. Let's do it manually for heart attack. And I have, no joke, I have right now 9 through on these most wanted music. Did you normally rush top to the most 10? The original, the most wanted, of course. There's the title if you're missing the sub. I'm listening right now this song by an accident. It just comes with the playlist of Asphalt Legends X I have. Created by myself, of course. I was going with myself. I'm pissed. I need something else. I need something chilled up. Because this is not gonna work. Oh man. Running out of patience. Need a plan D. Plan C is already rotten off. Calls AI. Let's do AI and actually plan B. Slow. AI is too slow. Oh, because I take it off actually in the beginning and make it on as well. Your own risk. Have a nice day. Slow. I don't can. Oh, there's already a finish line. Why? That was the easy one. Full speed forward. That was an easy one. I think I claim it, right? Nice one. Money cash in. Good for the insurance. I hate these keys. Haunted stuff there. There was 13 accounts on my side actually. And another 2.5 accounts, but I say 3 accounts, but 2.5 accounts. From 2 Japanese and actually 1 of San Salvador. And I played actually Need for Speed 2015, that game Need for Speed through, I think 7 times on Platinum. And the ending was like, what the fuck? Actually, really, the end game of Need for Speed 2015 was what the fuck. I just played it because I'm a big fan actually in this time. Cam Block, you know. RIP, man. I hope your daughter learned about it, Liz. So, gosh. She's gotta visit her or something's crack. Well, why? Checking air actually about the SCR actually on this Formula 1 stuff. Let's see. Hunted, the land of snow, Himalaya. Oh, that's gonna be not fun. Ah, come on, use some other car. So last season, you only need 1 car. Bump it up. Only time. You have it. What the hell? I don't understand why so many cars don't have the overclock system. Claim nothing, but claim it. Okay. Acclaimed? Con isolation. Knock knock. Who's there? Step pointer from Nikolaus. Oh, my last cigarette, eh? And the struggle continues. Ah, fit the last cigarettes, man. Someone's watching actually, you subscribe me? But who the hell just liked me here? Dubios, but I need to go to the toilet again. It's not the pressure, it's the fearing actually to lose again. Is it the same as an old man like myself and never have sex in my life? To have the feelings like you having snoozy time with your girlfriend? Oh my gosh. I hope not. Everything's fine down below actually. Check it every 2 days. You know what I'm saying? Shaving happened here. He's gone. Shaving and cutting everywhere, right? And then, oh, he's gone. Oh, why already the wounds get covered off? Happened that for 2 years ago or something? 2 years of drunkenness. He come to the idol to watch it out. Why was the shaving so easy? He's not there anymore. Oh my god. When I lost my friend down below. That sitcom you have to watch. Now on BBC. Coming up, actually, 7, 8, and actually 20 or something like actually you want to... No, hold on, we have to go there. This time is actually not regular for children will watch. It is actually at 7 o'clock at that time. The guy with no wiener. No, the guy with missing wiener. I don't know, something like that. Oopsie daisy! My sausage is gone. Was it me? Some kind of shit. I think that's future music or something for the cinematics or whatever. That is weird. Sometimes they're bringing out sitcoms and then making a movie. Why not first the movie and then sitcoms? But they're making this up since, I think, the last 7 to 10 years now. First up the sitcom, then the movie was actually the part of, and now the movie. And then make like Netflix out of, yeah, sitcom. What the hell? Like Batman or something. Yeah, fuck this. It's like you're playing the video game since 20 years and they're making out a movie and the movie was like piece of shit. And they're making actually another kind of game out of the movie and then the game from out the movie they're making a sitcom on Netflix and they're completely destroying the genre, the franchise, you know. Den Franzschiss. I'm really trying to concentrate on toilet. What was that sound behind? There's so many TikTok AI videos right now on. I think 80% right now. He's looking good and doing crazy, but really, why? Why? You can't say if somebody hurt himself or was actually AI, just let him hurt. And they make so easy money with these AI created videos. You easily buy actually a program about $1,000, make some shots in here and move in there, make the green screen, and actually the rest of the AI program makes it together. Huh. And they earn about a 20,000 K or something. It's just actually for that video. Over a month. Where the fuck I'm living for? I'm earning a 2.5 maximum actually as a construction worker. Coming home, have my business to be done. Want to do down my hobby. Nothing. This is fucking worse. They're just sitting around and just doing some stuff and here and there. Oh, come on, this is future. Good night. They even started up at Mortal Kombat as they just found out you can make a controller that handled itself. But there was no AI around. What the hell? Sometimes I think, why not just kill yourself? It makes no sense to live anymore on this earth, on this planet. 80% corruption, 10% actually you get irritated. And the rest maybe is real, or just actually fucked up and living under the bridge already. Oh, don't forget that actually the religion, of course. Yeah. This Islam just waking up or something right now. Exactly. Then go there. Love Putin. Go to North Korea, make your military action there instead of Germany. Maybe you learn something about it. I saw today actually the American Carter about the soccer team, the football team better say, but soccer team. The most are from Germany, better say actually they're living in America, but most are from Germany, Italy or Spain. What the fuck? They just bought off or something to come to America for 2026 about the soccer WM, World Mastership. What the fuck? New Wall, just 30 kilometers away. There's actually one guy is playing in Augsburg, FC Augsburg. Augsburg. What the hell? That's crazy. Mönchengladbach, St. Pauli. They're coming from everywhere. And now, actually, they're living since a year, half year. They'd be 18 years old, 20 years old, coming then from America to Germany and playing football there. Or Italy. That's crazy. But Germany wants actually to America 3-2-1 or something like that. Yeah, whatever. Cheers. Good night. The land of snow. You want to say San Francisco is full of cocaine? Himalaya. Why there was a picture from San Francisco? Goddamn. No joke, I'm haunted. Nice showdown stopper, y'all. Get away, garbage! "25 seconds left, sir." Oh my gosh, get away! We need to go up there. I'm not gonna make this one. What kind of a bullshit? 100 of cars around me. It doesn't matter how fast you are, they're faster than you. These security cars have an engine like Bugatti or Koenigsegg. I don't know what this is unrealistic to have V8s and that's it. 48. Last time claiming. Let's get it right. Oh. Burp. 53. Yeah, that's the VIP Pro assembly work. That's okay. Let's say 48, but 5,000 actually more. Why not? That's it. Normally I should shut off my console. Not because it's 8 o'clock. There's still actually 1.5 hours to go, maximum. But the problem is, I'm not getting credits anymore, and I don't care because we close to plotting. What the hell is that? Maybe more vehicles coming up? What is that calling? Scenic route? Scenic route? A scenic route? Scenic route? Oh man, what kind of word is this? Bullshit, bullshit. Now forget this. What's it calling? Ultimate experience? Aha. Better stay in here. ultimate BS experience. I don't mind fine car. No, you don't. Should get a chance as well. It's a lightweight, I know. If a police car is snacking on your trunk and you're going down from 200 miles per hour to 50 miles per hour in just kind of a 4 seconds. But let's try. I'm not a quitter. I'm not actually even done something like I just would actually all the time pretend on only one car. I need to get the car in here right now. Nah. But what the hell? I just beat the car up on these upgrades. It's San Francisco, and now we go to Cairo. What is wrong with them? Do they know where Egypt is? Egypt? Hey. Maybe so. Okay, close on the wall. Okay, close on the wall. Wow, we're not gonna win this one, man. Fuck. "18 seconds left, man. Forget about it." Oopsie daisy. Show you manners. Oh, that was close. The stupid movie actually moves us to the building. But I was seriously safe to 100%. I was going into the middle side of the road after the jump. My heart. Not hurting, but adrenaline, I think it calls. Yeah, you see just actually like, oh, some idiot just driving their vehicle and so many police cars. But somebody's touching your vehicle, then your car is going down as 0. Don't get touched. That's why I try to say myself, actually go left or right actually on these kind of sides. I wait for that the nitrous push it up well, but that braking, look at that. What the fuck, is that a tank or something? If you touch them with nitro, they're exploding, but the braking and they just touch you a bit and then you, what the hell? Boom, here we go again. Thought it's over. Crazy. That's why I love, I think it's called Gravel. What's that Codemaster game called Gravel, right? Amazing game. In the end, you could actually even drive a 6, what's it calling? No, what's that in axle in English? 6-axle actually tank. He was driving in the end for a DLC to win it for platinum, to make it even possible to win it is. To jump and bump around, and then you got actually this trophy then, and then you win with one wish. You have to win, but there was a police matey actually, I was saying, what I can be done with the Subaru and stuff. So I was bought me the DLC, and it was easy up to on the Flickr account to win actually on Gravel. I love that game, but Gravel right now, as I'm watching, oh crack, I can't feel it anymore. Once I'm buying a game, and I feel it. If I do the second time, oh gross. The third time, oh my hell. But there's some games out there I can play it actually like 7 or 8 times, actually going to platinum on different accounts on myself or from other guys actually that wish actually it'll help. So I take that account and make the platinum done for them and they're happy. But never happened anymore. They pay for platinums right now. Since I think 10 years now or something. I don't do that. That's why this is actually one account I don't actually force platinum. Nation for real is for real. I'm not actually forcing something with Safe Wizard anymore. Come on, guys, what the hell? Where are you going? Oh, yeah. You have to watch the walk-in show, or better say, actually. Oh, come on, this is a joke, right? Well, They're not even commentary. I don't know what I'm talking anyway. Why I'm talking anyway to them. They're just, you know. Early that time I started up at these live streams, like I popped up, but you even become before you get the setup. Done more than 20 hello, how's going? Hey, what's up the last day? Man, you was very angry and stuff. Explain yourself, blah blah blah. And that before even the live stream was really running. And I take my 4 minutes to set up. No, nothing. Not even a comment. Not even a, you know, I don't know where the likes is coming from anyway. AI. I think since the last 10 years or something, since I have the PlayStation 4, I'm talking to myself 98%. Crazy, right? I'll be talking about more than 10,000 hours actually a year. Congratulations. That even possible? Put it up the light. $1,200. My calculator in my brain. Was that the 2,000 euros actually or dollars actually for that game as well? In the end, I recalculate 1,400 about the alcohol and smoking, and 700 hours of this game. The last 10 years, and then I was saying the same. 10,000 is actually 1,000, maybe 1,600 hours in 1 year. Whatever. You must have friends or actually a girlfriend to be actually a live streamer. I don't. I just do that as for hobby since 2007. What the fuck? Just escape. San Francisco, but it's Scotland. What the fuck? Already stopped the nitro, what the fuck? Why is this game so mad to me? Hit the broken gun. Oh no, he's just falling down. It's raining police cars. What the fuck? Hey, this one is one of the asses. That's why I take over the AI. Nobody's watching anyway, nobody cares. The big guy came down in the end, man. What the fuck? Fucking hell. They really don't make it easy on you, man. Maybe they know already. There's the position you can do dump farting in this game. That's why they make it in the meanwhile in the middle part of career. Very hard. Very extended and hard on you. And that time you hate yourself because maybe you bought a $50 actually to a ultimate pass of this game. That's why I'm not buying something anymore. I just even done actually my suffer and pain actually for the shit game. Even I like it. It's a 50-50. I don't hate Frost, that's why I like it actually, but I hate Frost to make this game. Developers, you know. Mother tuckers. But to have no family, no friends, no somebody actually subscribing here for this game. I'm playing actually kind of $700 now on 4 accounts. It's okay to be actually mad. I have a good feeling to make platinum tonight. How long it takes, it doesn't matter. Actually, still I'm sober. And I'm so glad that I'm shitting all the times because the last 4 days actually I gained more actually, like 4 to 5 kilograms. Till actually 10 pounds or something by actually eating. It's all about these Elder Scrolls Online. Yeah. Going through the dentist last week. I see what I'm talking about. I know it's watching. You got a girlfriend, never she actually leaves you the placement in here. She called you and she's actually washed the eine noch eine und das war's dann.
The ultimate experience.
So we close about 3 racings for platin. What are you thinking? If I'm done the night with platin and it's 21 o'clock, should I go rest in peace or should I go to Court X? See, that is the stuff I just talked and questioned. And that was for 5 years ago and I got an answer. Not anymore right now. What is wrong with these people? They have PlayStation 5 now and hate it. Yeah, wonderful. No community. Since the community on PlayStation 4 is anyway not existing anymore, more shit is running here. I can say I feel very lonely the last years. Yeah. Good for me. See what the shop has done. To end up this game. Oh, nothing much. There's some parts we can go for it, but I need extra cars like the egg boat to give me a chance to have the wild cards present. Can we do the wild cards being done with these cars? No, not really, right? Could we get them? No. No, we don't. My mistake. Just need 1 car, right? What's the closest car I need actually some blueprints? Just want to find out right now. Totally designs are wrong. Silver Bruno. To Glickenhaus. Whoa, it's the Nissan. Uh-huh. So we need actually then this okay. My mind. Until actually this techno leader, the Lego Technic is coming up. Takes forever. Unavailable actually next year. Sure, pay for it. What the fuck? Since when does still exist? Huh? Oh, sure, there's no. There's only actually the Black Friday stuff, right? No, baby, your shit showroom. You have to tap R1 L1, but R2 L1. What the fuck? Was this the only one? That's pain in the ass. Maybe later then. Maybe tomorrow. It's you, them, or me. Who cares? Think we're gonna shoot. AI lost. Let me handle that. Seems to be an easy one. That's so fucked up. I said it was on the left because I thought actually I can drift to the left by the left side, but it was go right to left, and then that's why I crashed. But I said the AI just Yeah, whatever, police won. Man, I shit so much actually in my life. Shoulder video, already be actually kill myself. So makes no sense with life anymore. You got a Carter, man. He already cut it off from the video. Just have a live stream. Sent the best wishes in the end of the year about actually what I was going through the whole year by live stream. A lot of million people want to watch that. Fuck life. Get the cheapest core. I like to be suffered away. Meanwhile. No commentary. What a fine ass car. That's the critics saying. This isn't fucking shit Arsenal, that's in the United game. It is. Are we leaving San Francisco right now? Look at the screen. Are we going to San Francisco then? Where are you going? Stupid analog stick. Are we going to San Francisco right now? And it fits with the title menu. Right? Yeah, finally San Francisco. Oh my gosh. The lot of ideas that created the game. That's touched right. I tried to go to right side, but I was decided then to the left side. The AI was saying, okay, I go with the police. Ah, I'm good, I'm fine. And I just, you wanna grab me another beer. Ah, welcome to the future. But the android is actually grabbing your body and eating out of them. I made of thinking that they're going gods. Yeah. That these Russian actually Shini actually, these Dr. Titles actually Lauren with 14 years old actually saying, you're making superhumans then. Wonderful. Skynet is a piece of shit then. Why are we not making actually atom war then? Huh? Why? There's so many dull running peoples around actually running around here in the streets. Oh, more than 62%. Behavior actually like the Stone Age. When it ends up like Cyberpunk the game, right? Then you really can't give yourself a bullet. You're just coming out of your bedroom, be the cleanest human actually and all over the planet Earth or something, and 100 years later. And you just get actually shot because someone was saying, yeah, he's stolen, he was actually been watching me, and you get shot by this kind of shit. That's why, fuck future, fuck future. Politics rules, multimillionaires rules, the innocents are being under the bridge, the most good workers actually under the bridge, don't earning something, and these are making money, they don't care about humanity. They'll be happy to have the money. Every day another slot or something shit. Fuck this life. Why should I make actually a little stupid license actually for a car? My reasons for that, why I'm not doing this. Better stay alone and kill yourself. What is it needed? You don't can pay actually some stupid doctor amount bills actually anymore. Fuck it. Putin is #1 right now actually on the list to be a terrorist. And he makes since more than 14 years whatever he wants to be done with. Like, it's cozy, right, with Putin around as a terrorist #1. Alright. Assad regime, other terrorist stuff. Be happy to delete them, just improve them actually like, or give them weapons, money. I'm not for Israel. Israel's terrorist as well. German government says we are always staying on the right side of Israel. I hate Israel. Go fuck them. I'm not done with these. I mean, at this kind of, it's not my fault to actually make this fucking Holocaust there. I'm in the kind of, what kind of a generation? Number 3 or 4? It was this Austria guy, actually Adolf Hitler started up actually with the Germans in this generation there. To let them suffer, or just actually, if you're not with me, you get killed. You think actually Germany will be all the times actually some kind of religion? I hate religion, definitely. Because there's no God. Everything's going wrong. The point is just the humanity are so manipulated. Actually 99% of it all over the world actually so manipulated. As myself as well, sure. Well, I learned a lot about it. Fucking childhood. Alright. Ah, shit. Fuck the touch drive. I'm not going with them. Better stay alone. Have no mind for these shit. If you fight for one side, you'll be a criminal, or actually exist a criminal actually because you fought actually for Israel. So better you don't choose. Let them, whatever that happened then, erased or something. To help everyone on Earth, you can't bound your life for that. If you do nothing is better than doing something. starting up by actually voting for actually being voting for some president. It's the worst you can be done in your life. You should be actually voted as a criminal as well, like you vote Trump twice, second time in your life. You're a criminal. You're a criminal actually. You vote Trump again. You're a criminal. Trump likes Putin. Trump likes North Korea. Trump likes actually politically, likes for terrorists. I'll not be wrong. I'm definitely not be wrong. He likes terrorism to make money. Out of his money, wrapped actually from the fucking weapon lobby. You have a terrorist in your own country actually sitting in his stool. His presidential stool. His name is Trump. He's a terrorist like Putin as well. Everybody says, no, he's not, he's the best president, blah 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 blah. Shut the fuck up. You're already lost. I hope you bomb each other, America and Russia, by yourself. But all the times, actually these people, they have no actually matter to be between the shit war, needs to get bombed. And that is telling about like, oh, I'm so sorry. And we're still paying actually for Poland for the shit what happened in the Second World War. Where even my family was inflicted. What the fuck? What happened then when America fights against Russia? Huh? America gives a fuck. Since the last 17 wars, maybe they say won. They're making only chaos. Profit out of wars. Didn't win actually only one war, and that was the World War II. The rest of it, well, they fought actually 16 wars, never won. Why not actually get the fucking TV over them, actually live TV, and hang them, burn them, nail them, cut off limbs? For everyone that just making deal done to them. What kind of courtesy they have over in America as well? Money. That's it. This is not my world. No. It's like I'm buying something like maybe 1 cent cheaper than the other guy, and maybe I got shot in my head then. But when a politic actually buy it for $0 instead of $20, he don't actually, you know, I'm president, everything's cool. Oh, Mr. President, wanna have another one for $20? What the fuck is this, huh? Since Nixon actually, this happened. They maybe just courtesy actually, he's done a little bit better since Nixon actually thought actually he can play God in America. But here we go again. Twice. Trump. He's the president of US and the... Yeah, whatever. It's not America anymore. Who just voted out Trump? It's been a terrorist from my side. Go away from me. Go away. You beat Nazism. You beat Nazism. Worse than Adolf Hitler actually did in the world. Thank you very much to talk about you. Goodbye. Last race. Career's done. Only need a car. Then platinized. Get away with that crack, right? Midwest, San Francisco, the fuck. that motherfucking train, goddammit, when you need them. Train comes. That is the corner I thought about it. If you now didn't done something wrong, it is only a shop corner, so use an opener. And we got the 40 career. We only need one vehicle in our garage and we got plotting. This is the corner I talked about this day actually, in the morning time and for a couple of hours ago. If you're not going actually left or right instantly, and it's so fast then, that's why I activated the douchebag touch drive. God, it goes so wrong. Oh well. Maybe say kindergarten. Do you see somebody else like myself actually talking in this game? I have nobody around me to help me out and support me in here. 1,400 euros, 7 months long. It's above my stress meter. So we need another car. And then we go on for Detonation CB to go to Detonation for real. Let's harvest these other ones. 20 o'clock, 40 minutes after. Be back. Take what you actually own. Earn or owned or owned. My English. No. The Chinese pasta. Cheers. I was telling. 20 minutes left, 21 o'clock. I go to Car X. But I need one car. Oh, I'm not playing another video game then anymore. Okay. I don't need that anymore. Career's over. You need a car. Damn it. Oh, you figure it out. Glickenhaus was the closest one, right? Nah. That was another vehicle. It was very close. How about this car? The Nissan GT-R Nismo. The list is long to get it. European season. No. No. No good advice. It's already over. Well, I just can have that card in there. Bullshit. They're telling you bullshit. Spina Farina. The shit they're talking. This game is just made out for scam, 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 and scam, and a lot of scam. Oh gosh, to find that car. Oh, season pass, Black Friday pass, Black Friday pass. Bye 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 bye. Why not transmute the asphalt tokens actually into something, right? They don't want. Money, 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 money. Huh. That's that shit. Bullshit. Mm-hmm. Bert, where do you get it? No, Bert. Why is this talking so much bullshit? Yeah, of course. Expired for me. I'm done. Bye bye. Bullshit shit. Plotting's dead for me in here.